Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to tile a bathroom. Now, there's a couple different ways of going about this. Now, the basic way is to find what we call the center of your room. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the center between the walls both ways. So when we do that, we would measure from the widest part of the bathroom, and that's going to be from cabinets, or in this case it would be in this little alcove where the commode is, to the tub. We would find that center line, and then we would measure length to length. So one way would be to start, you'd end up with a corner, and then you would set your tiles from that corner and go out. Now, one thing, when you do that, depending on the layout of your room, you want to check and see how your end tiles would end up around the perimeter. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to even this out so that when you get to those edges. Now, in some cases, with this particular layout, the layout doesn't work out very well, where you may end up with just a sliver. So we had to make some accommodations for that. So if the center doesn't work well, then what you want to do is you want to go back and look. Now, it just so happens that with this layout, using these 12-inch tiles, it's just about with quarter-inch grout lines, we ended up with a full length of tiles here. So it worked out better in this particular bathroom where we did a full layout of tiles, and so we went ahead and just started from this wall and from the tub with full tiles. And then we let our shorter ones fall out underneath the baseboard and at the wall and around this cut, or at the door, and then around this cutout by the shower in this corner. But where you've got shower, a corner feature built into the room, it's perfectly acceptable to have some odd cut-off tiles there without having to balance it with the rest of the room. So really, when you're laying floor tile in a bathroom, you've really got to plan out your layout where you get the most balance to the feel. So start out with finding your centers and working from there and seeing how it's going to lay out. And if not, then look at the main part of the room and making sure you get that area balanced, and let the tiles wash out in areas that are less noticeable. So I'm Tim Gibson with How to Tile a Bathroom.